everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Freestyle Friday. I came up with this look. I don't know. Why can't I do this? Why is this so hard right now? This is the look I came up with. I drew the color black. It was fun and scary and pushed me to a new limit. I hope you guys liked the video. Please make sure that you subscribe and join my crew today. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I've got my box here, so let's shake it up and pick what color we're going to do today. I've got my brushes here and all my palettes here, and I'm just excited to play with makeup today. So, black. Ah! I've got people coming over tonight. Ah, I'm excited. Oh, I'll show you that I got black. Ugh, black, it just makes me nervous. Looks like we're going to be using the Jaclyn Morphe palette and the 39A Dare to Create palette. Black! I'm so scared. I've never ever done a black eye look before. I've always wanted to, but they scare me. It's so intimidating. Okay, I wanted to try the tape method to get a sharper cut here so that I don't have panda eye. I've never done this before, and I know tape isn't good for your eye, that's why I'm going to make it as least sticky as possible. Ah! I can't smile. Let's do this. Ow! 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 It poked me in the eye when I looked down. Oh! Okay, I'm going to use the Dare to Create palette today. Well, for now, to start with. And first I'm going to go in with some transition shades. So I'm going to start here, then move here, then darken it up with this one. Bear is the first one. Next I'm going to take Sunder. Black! Oh, I'm so frightened, you guys. Next is Sculpt. Focusing more on the outer corner. I want to give it a base to hold on to. So I'm gonna grab nothing because I don't have it with me. I'm gonna take this angled eyeliner brush and I'm going to take my pot of eyeliner. This is an older, drier pot. I just want to give it a nice dark base, something for the shadow to really cling on to. It's kind of like a cut crease, but way scarier. I don't speak much because I'm letting all of my creative juices flow. This is cute. This is a good look for me, you guys. This is good. This might have been a giant mistake. Okay, next I'm going to take black on this stiff packing brush, tap off the excess. That was pretty dusty. There's no blackout eyeshadow all over the carpet. Shit. Oh. Okay, time for some blending. This is kind of wild. Like shadow all over my face. This is why I am doing my foundation after, because this would ruin my foundation in a hurry. Just picked up a little tiny bit more black and then tapped off like 90% of the excess. Just to make this really, really smoky. I like it! I've always wanted to do a look like this, but I've always been too scared. Excuse me. My body woke me up at 3 o'clock this morning, and I didn't get back to sleep until 7. So, it's 3:30 in the afternoon. Why? I take melatonin and my meds at night that make me sleepy. I take them at night so that I'm not tired during the day. So, like, it's just frustrating. It's the second night in a row that I haven't gotten very good sleep. Okay, I need some more black. Here, it's looking a little patchy. Oh, shit. I'm going to take Abyss from the Jaclyn Hill palette in the corner. I don't know if it's any blacker than what I'm already using, but I'm really going to pack that on there where I want it the darkest, which is all of it, I guess. I'm not doing any highlight today because it would be weird with an all black look to have highlight. Okay. This side needs to be blended just a little bit out. Okay, I'm gonna go put on my foundation and wipe off all of the excess, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got my foundation and my brows on, and I'm not gonna do any liner today because it wouldn't show up anyway. But I did want to do some work on the lower lash line. I'm gonna take this like gunmetal gray, is screaming my name. I'm gonna take that on this tiny little precision brush. I am gonna spray it to reduce the chance of fallout. Ow, me eye? Me eye! That was fun! I like black. Black and yellow and like dark foresty green, those are my favorite colors. I'm gonna throw on some mascara and I'll be right back. I'm gonna bronze just a little bit. I don't think I'll do blush though. Like a peachy blush just wouldn't go with this look in my head. This is a dark, kind of grungy look. No highlighter either, which makes me sad because I got a new highlighter and I love it. I don't even care if I look like a panda. I think this looks great. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this L'Oreal Color Riche in 405. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. This is a really dark purple. Probably one of the darkest ones I have currently. My only complaint about it is that it's really drying, and if you have any dead skin on your lips, it will accentuate that. So another great dark berry shade like every other one I have. I wish it went on as dark as it looks, though. That'd be ideal. La, 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 la. Okay guys, that is it for this week's Freestyle Friday. I like it. It's dark and grungy and kind of scary, but it pushed me to a new limit that I never was brave enough to try before. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe. I would love to have you be part of the crew here. The crew? Yeah, that's what we'll call it. You guys are my crew. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye! And I'm always moisturizing my lips, but I still have skin. I still have skin? Yeah. Nice, Laura. That makes great sense. If you guys like this grungy look, keep watching. Keep watching? What the hell? We're done. Guys, I suck at outros. Like, I can nail I can't do anything. Start with,